Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yes, look at this big huge box I have here from Maniology. So last Friday the 13th they came out with a box of joy. It's a Christmas countdown box. I think it's similar to the Halloween one that they came out with that I unboxed. I think that one just came out like a month ago. So yes, I know it's early for Christmas, but I had to get it. And you guys, I ordered it Friday and I just got it. Today's Monday. It's 7:14 here in the evening. So yes, I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in here. I think there might be some videos out there, people that I think they're ambassadors and they already got their box. But yeah, I haven't watched anything. I have no idea what's in here. I do know that when you did order, you got a free gift. And I think it's a, what I could tell from the picture, I think it's one of the organizers that you put your stamping plates, which I'm excited about because, yeah, I love those little organizers. So, yes, we're going to go ahead and get this opened. Alright, so I got it all open here. So, yes, this is the little free gift here. We'll open that. So, yes, I did get two, because I ordered 2 boxes. Let me see what that is. So you know what that means. I'm gonna give one away. Alright, so yes, I did order 2. So then you did get the free gift. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get 2 of the free gifts. I thought they were just gonna put 1, but yeah. So yes, I'm gonna be giving one away. So this one we're gonna put to the side. Yeah, I'm not gonna announce it in the title or anything because, you know, I want people to watch the video and find out there's a giveaway. So as we go on through the video, I'll say, you know, what you need to do to enter the giveaway. So yeah, so we're gonna look at the free item first, and I absolutely love these. I have 2 other ones. I'm gonna show you. I have this one that we got in the Mani by Me box. With the fairy one. This is where I keep all the Mani by Me box, because as you can see I filled it up already, and I think I started my subscription in March. So this is March till October, and then yeah, I haven't put out the October box. Yeah, that one's coming too. I've got so much stuff I need to put out and make videos for. I'm trying to do what I can. I wasn't feeling good for a couple days, so. And then I got this one in the last box that we got, the box of shadows, I think it was. Yeah, the Halloween one. So this is where I put all my Halloween stamping plates. One's super cute for the holidays. So yeah, you'll be getting, the giveaway winner will get one of these little cases here. And so yes, I'm so excited to open this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, look how cute. Look at the box. So Merry Christmas. And this is the countdown book. Yeah, last time I didn't even look at the book, so I think, you know, we'll look at the book this time. But I'm gonna look, oh, look at these little stickers. So we get some little stickers here. Super cute little stickers. Oh, the tissue paper is adorable. Look at that. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, how exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ah, I'm so excited. All right, so let's see here.
Over 12 nights, they all came together, bringing Christmas to Hawaii despite the warm weather. So this is for number 1. Snow didn't fall, but the elves created cool etching plates with snowflakes using magic tools. With polish and a stamp on each of their hands, they were whisked away to winter wonderland.
All right, so let's find number 1. Oh, I see it here. Alright, so number 1 is a stamping plate. M418. Oh, look how pretty. So yes, it's a bunch of snowflakes. Look how pretty. Oh, I love these. Snow kisses. Oh my gosh. This is too cute. Look at these. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous.
Number 2, snowflakes on fingers and twinkling toes. Their nails mesmerized with shimmering glows. Icy blue polish like a frozen dream. They marveled at the sparkle in a magic gleam. So I'm thinking it's a polish.
Number 2. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Look how cute. Sorry, my computer's going off over there. Look how cute the box is. Ooh. Twinkle toes. So this is a blue with like the shimmer. Oh, how pretty. Ooh, this is pretty.
Number 3, to pamper their hands with scent so bright, zesty citron, a pure and fragrant delight. The elves massage their cuticles with tender loving care, leaving the workshop with citrus scented air. So it's gotta be a cuticle oil. Oh yes.
Number 3. I love their cuticle oil. I got one in a box. I think that was one of the boxes. We got a rose one. Ooh, zesty citron or citron. Yeah, I love it. I have it right here in my drawer, the rose one, and I love it. So yes. Oh, I love it. Let me see. Oh, that smells so good. Yes, I love it. I have my other one right here. Yeah, so we got the Rousing Rose in a box, and then I have now I have this one. Yay! Yeah, I like any cuticle oils with brushes. I love the brushes, so.
Number 4. Day to day, the elf spirits were revived. Gleaming lights hung with joy in their eyes, string of colors adorned with grace, adding magic to the workshop and smiles on each face.
I'm not sure. Let's see, number 4. Okay, it's a stamping plate. Number 4. MX16. Oh, this is cute. A bunch of lights. Christmas lights. Oh, look at the bulbs. Yeah, this one you can layer. So you can do the bulb one color, and then you can put the outline there. Yeah, look at all the string of lights. How cool. And I believe this one, yeah, these are layered. Oh, how fun. That's gonna be cool. I love it. Look how beautiful. Yes.
Alright, we're on day 5. On day 5, the team cleaned the dust from the shelves. Remember this plate? Exclaimed one of the elves, flipping through albums. They all reminisced on bundle monster plates in nostalgic bliss. Okay.
Let's see. Number 5. Isn't it a plate or? Oh, it's this. Is this another? Another book? Well, it says tool. Oh, okay. So we get 2. Oh, wow. So we get 2 of these. That's cool. We get the free one, and then we get another one. Yeah, you can never have too many. I do have a lot of holiday plates from like other companies, but not from Maniology. That a couple that I have like snowflakes. So yeah, that'll be cool. Yeah, I'm not complaining about that at all. I love it. So that's cool.
Mystics brought some trouble to many elves' dismay when the lights ceased to shine on their Christmas time display. But in galloped Rudolph with a shimmering hue to illuminate the night and fix their lights like new.
Sorry, my nose is all stuffy. Number 6. Okay, so we get another stamping polish. I believe there's 12. I think there's 12 items. Yeah, 12 items in here. Ooh, this is pretty. This is Rudolph. And this is like a red with a... Look at that shimmer. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yeah, I just set up my little shelves. I have the little clear shelves with all my stamping polishes, and I didn't have a red from Maniology. So yeah, I finally have a red, so that's cool.
Next, they mixed cinnamon with sugar so sweet, creating gingerbread men. For a break time treat, pouring milk in their glasses, ideas began to flow for layering plates made out of cookie dough.
So another plate. Oh my gosh. M417, look, it's, oh my god, gingerbread men. How cute. So yes, you can layer, you can make different little gingerbread men. There's different hats. There's little eyes and mouth. There's like a girl, little boy. Oh my god, it's gonna be so fun. So yeah, you can do layering with this one. This is a layering plate. I haven't done much layering at all, so I'm excited to try that. Baking Spirits Bright. Oh snap, have a sweet Christmas. Oh my gosh, how cute. Yeah, and this too is, you can layer these two. And look at the hot cocoa. Yeah, I want to do a hot cocoa set. Oh my gosh, how perfect.
Number 8. They bake and they craft with laughter and cheer, creating gingerbread cookies and nails so dear. Rolling pins and nail stampers, the cookies take form. Manicures baked fresh, fragrant, and warm.
Where's number 8? Okay, yes, so we get a stamper and scraper gingerbread man. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see this. So we get the little scraper. Look at it, it's got little gingerbread men, stocking, candy canes. I love the color. Look how pretty that green is. Yeah, so it matches the scraper, and it's the ice cube. I love the ice cube stampers. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cool, I love it.
Alright, so number 9. On day 9, the workshop was a total mess, so out with their brooms, the elves gave it their best. Their miraculous touch like a nail artist stroke, leaving not a crumb for a mouse to evoke.
So number 9, I think this is number 9. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these. Is this the little mini one? Yes, it's the little mini stamper. I seen this on Amber Dips a lot. She had one of these and I said, oh my gosh, I want one of those, but I hadn't bought one yet. Cool. Oh, I love it. Yes, it's the little mini stamper. Oh, I love it. And then it has a brush, an angled, look at that brush on the end. Oh my gosh. Let me see. I think at the end of the book it tells you everything. Well, I don't want to look at it yet. I don't want to spoil it, but oh my gosh, I love it. Yay.
Okay, number 10. With a heave and a hoe, the elves brought in a tree. It was surely the biggest fir they've all seen. Oh, its lush, fluffy branches. They strung up the lights, topped with a shimmering star. What a sight.
Alright, so it's a polish. Oh, look at this, how pretty this green. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, so we got the Christmas colors here. I love it.
Golden tinsel, their tree sparkled and gleamed, just a pinch more glitter, like a hollow daydream. A few extra strands for the final touch and a manicure to match, or is it too much?
So number 11. Ooh, I think it's a glitter. It is. I'm not going to open it because it's going to make a mess, but look at it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh yeah, see, a little bit came out already. It's sealed, but yeah, look at that, how pretty. Alright, so we're on to the last one.
In a workshop adorned on the very last night, their smiles seemed brighter, their tasks felt light, knowing that teamwork held the Christmas key, each gift wrapped in joy for Maniology. So let's see, as the very last gift was laid under the tree, the elves made a wish for the nail community. We hope all of our polished art tools and nail plates will always help to inspire, empower, and create. Aww.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, look, it gives you little inspo here. Let's look at the plate. This is M419. Oh, look how cute. Look at these. A snow globe. Merry Christmas, jingle all the way. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, a lot of these are all layering, which is so cool. I can't wait to do that. Oh, I love it. Look how cute the snowman. Oh, I just love it. Oh, I'm excited now for the Christmas set. Yeah, and it tells you everything that's in here. So yeah, limited edition dual-ended pencil stamper cleanup brush. So yeah, it's a cleanup brush. So the ones that have a star are the box exclusive, so you'll only be able to get them in the box. So the organizer, the gingerbread stamper, the pen, and then the tinsel glitter. So the rest of it they'll bring out slowly, probably not till November maybe. I think they usually do it like a month after. So yeah, and then here it tells you how to take care of the stampers. Use Scotch tape, yeah. And then the nail glitter, and then the ingredients in the cuticle oil, which is good in case you have an allergy. And then yeah, and then just a little bit of how to stamp. So yes, all right, so I'm gonna get my little setup here ready so we can swatch the polishes. All right, so for the blue, the twinkle toes, I want to do Snow Kisses. That's what I want to oh, let me get my sticky base. Alright, so yeah, before you use your stamper the first time, you're supposed to wash it with soap and dish, or water and dish soap, because it has like an oil on it. So let's do it again. I have my little sticky paper here so my finger keeps sticking to it. Alright, so yeah, that's a very pretty blue. Look at that, gorgeous. Alright, so for, oh, I didn't look at the name. For sure, I'm definitely gonna do the Christmas tree. You know, I want to try the layered, so let's do the green. Like that, and then I'm going to take the blue, and I'm going to do this one. And then it's kind of hard to tell. I should use the lighter color, but yeah, you could do like the little, how it has the lights on it. It's hard to see. Alright, so for the red, we're going to do the stocking. That's a pretty red. Alright, so I got so busy with the whole unboxing, I didn't even mention anything about the giveaway. So yeah, the giveaway is going to be open to everyone. You must be subscribed, of course. And then I want you to put enter me, and then let me know if you've ever tried stamping, if you love stamping, you've never tried it, where you're at, you know, on your stamping journey. So yeah, I'll give you till today's Monday, but I'm gonna post the video on Tuesday, and then so I'll give you till Thursday, and then we'll pick the winner on Friday. So yeah, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you got 3 full days. So yeah, then I'll go ahead and pick the winner on Friday. So yeah, good luck to everyone. And this is just, oh my gosh, everything in here is so cute. I love it. It's never too early to start planning your little Christmas set. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.